Hey everyone, Tim here. Today I'm gonna make a video for you called The Power of Swing Trading. And if you stay till the end, I'm gonna talk about why swing trading is probably one of the best ways for someone to invest in the markets, especially if you're working full time, because it doesn't take that much time a week. And you'll see how I use it to grow my portfolio and many others have as well. So not to be the obvious bunny, but swing trading, as we all know, and just investing in general, we know is one of the best ways to grow our wealth, right? Invest into the stock market. But what about swing trading specifically that makes it this lucrative way to make money? Swing trading stocks is a great way to build your income because you can use it to buy the dip, to sell at the tip, to generate consistent income in the market. And you can actually use it to protect yourself from major market corrections. And if we look here at this chart, in 2020, swing traders actually beat the markets by close to 10x. You know, swing traders made around a 50 to 60% return, while the market's only returning, 5 to 6%. So super important, you learn the skill. And again, different market environments call for different things. But in general, swing trading, I think, is a solid way for anyone who's looking to either, make income in the markets or looking to grow their portfolio. Swing trading is just, one of the best ways to do it. So who is a swing trader? Well, a swing trader is someone who trades an electronically traded asset. To keep it simple, we can just say stocks, and holds it over the course of a few days, a few weeks, sometimes a few months, and, for longer term swing traders, a few years. But I would say, personally speaking, once you go to that range, you might as well be a long-term investor. I would say the best way to describe it is every few weeks to every few months. Basically, you take advantage of these swings in the markets because, as you know, the markets don't just go up in one straight line, right? It goes up, pulls back a little bit, goes up more, pulls back a little bit, goes up more, pulls back a little bit. And there's so many advantages to swing trading because, one, it's highly liquid depending on what stock you're trading. And if you compare it to, let's say, real estate, right? In real estate, if you want to just sell your house tomorrow, you need to get a real estate agent. You need to take nice photos. You have to put it on the market. You have to show it out to people who are interested in buying your home. You have to get it appraised and then inspected, things like that. And even after you sell, your house or your real estate, you need to wait 30 to 60 days to actually get it and see the whole process through. As you can see, it's not as liquid as, let's say, if you want to sell your Apple shares tomorrow, you can literally find a buyer tomorrow. You can literally find it right now, probably in the aftermarket. So depending on what you're doing, I would say trading and investing, especially swing trading, is super lucrative for what you're doing. On top of that, there's no fees. So if you think about it, most of these brokerages now, especially with the rise of Robinhood, who made all of these older brokerages conform to their new ways, there's no more commissions in trading. So you can buy and sell a stock and not have to pay any sort of fees versus, like, let's say for real estate, there's closing costs, there's costs on both sides for buying and selling and things like that. So that's why I personally love trading. I love the stock market. It's super easy. You can literally do it in a click of a button. Obviously, you need to know what you're doing. Don't just go click buttons, or else, I did not tell you to do that, all right? So, so you might be wondering, who is qualified to be a swing trader? Well, if you can add, subtract, multiply, or divide, and you understand how to draw a chart, draw lines on a chart. Again, it's not as simple as drawing lines. You actually have to study technical analysis to understand where you're drawing, why you're drawing, and where to identify key support and resistance areas are. From personal experience, I'm honestly not that smart, and I was able to learn and figure it out. So if I can do it, you can do it, definitely. So this brings us to the final thing is, what about timing, right? When should you learn how to do this? You probably have heard the famous Chinese proverb, which is the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Same exact thing for your trading and learning, or even just whatever skill you're trying to learn. Obviously, yes, you could have learned how to invest and swing trade 20 years ago, but it's never too late to get started. You can learn today. There's so many free resources online for you to watch. You can watch YouTube videos, you can take online courses, paid programs, you can read books, whatever your preferred form of method is, read blogs, start there, and then start to learn more about it. But the markets are gonna be around for a very long time. You want to make sure that you have the skill, because the stock market is super lucrative, and if you have the right skills and you know how to take advantage of it, you're gonna make good money, if not, a lot of money from it. Again, assuming you know what you're doing. So depending on when you're watching this, currently the markets, they're trying to drive some prices down into strong support areas. So how I see it is over these next 1 to 2 months, as the markets, move into these key areas, and assuming it holds in this key area and holds that support, there's gonna be a lot of good buying opportunity. And I personally see the markets continuing to rally the second half of this year, maybe even next year as well. Pay attention, learn swing trading, learn technical analysis now, and apply it to your skill set. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comments below and subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna be making more videos as well. Just give me like 2 to 3 months and I'm gonna be completely free and dedicate my time to this. So excited to see you all. And yeah, hopefully this video was super helpful to you.